It's tempting to wax philosophical about waxed cotton's long seafaring history. It's the original performance fabric for when warmth, weatherproofing, and moving in comfort are essential. The waxed cotton jacket combines the best of the old ways with the new, and imagines a future that relies more on organic natural fibers and recycled materials. Made with 100% cotton in conversion from farms working toward organic certification, this jacket is treated with Halley Stevensons EverWax Olive, a plant-based wax derived from food industry waste. A living garment, the wax allows the cotton to become more supple and breathable in warmer weather. As the mercury drops, the wax stiffens up, which increases its water repellency. Everything is designed to lock out the cold, from the adjustable hood and flannel lining to the adjustable cuffs and drawcord hem. Zippered chest pockets, 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside. Keep your valuables secure during misty morning rambles. Show the waxed cotton jacket some love by re-waxing when needed, and it'll be something you're damn proud to pass along many decades down the road.